It's raining a lot. Did you talk to my friend Brownie?
Brownie?
Did you talk to my friend Brownie?
I tried to call Brownie, but
Nothing?
didn't show up.
I'll let you know. I'll let you know if I see her.
I want to feed him and her.
Some pizza?
No, I mean, yeah, there's some pizza there in the fridge.
Yeah, we'll give it to her later. After we get through this.
She's not showing up. Maybe he's somewhere hiding.
That's a lot of noise out there.
You not hear me?
Right. Yep. Well, it's a good thing I got this little space to do this movie, I tell you.
What?
I think they're pretty good movies. Huh? Still standing, but it looks like it's ready to feather apart. Sorry.
Which one, the roof?
Yeah.
Ouch.
Yeah. Looks like it's not gonna make it.
Good luck to my Christmas light.
Oh, please. You're gonna call your insurance company, right?
For the Christmas light. You call your
For everything.
You call your favorite Shopee.
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 Start ordering, huh? Look at that.
So
Wow,
now,
it's still strong.
so now you know what is the typhoon when I say. Well, seems like this is a little bit better compared to the last a year ago typhoon, I guess.
I don't know, hon.
Yeah.
This is not good.
Oh.
That is a lot. Just the rain alone getting blown is going to blow things over. Yeah. This window needs to be redone. You might as well get a new one.
Which one? This one?
Of course.
Why?
Can't leak like this.
Yeah.
There's somebody's dog over there, I see. I thought there was going to be a little lull in the action, but man, tell you what. Oh, that's just amazing.